In this tutorial, you'll design a content preview tile using Photoshop custom shapes, commonly used for blog cards and video previews. Open Photoshop and create a rectangular canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a large rounded rectangle for the tile base. Add a smaller rectangle shape at the top to represent an image placeholder. Below it, draw thin rectangle shapes to simulate text lines. Place a circle shape at the corner for a category icon. Duplicate the tile, move it slightly downward, and add a subtle shadow. Zoom out. The preview tile now looks modern and ready for content.